You guys, I'm at the dentist. I think this is so hilarious. Like, it feels so weird. But anyways, they just cocaine my mouth. I'm gonna go finish my root canal. I'm so excited. I'm over the sensitive tooth. I want to be able to eat. Like I told you, I have a date this weekend. I need to be able to eat. So hopefully this doesn't take too long. Look how my dry is. How gem and malt is. I'm gonna be a changed woman. But yeah, that's the current process. My dentist is gone. I hate the dentist, but I'm so excited to be here right now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Like, the freezing is, starting to happen now. So yeah, I'm so excited. This is a real smile. See you guys soon.
Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
Hey guys. So my root canal is done, but my canal was inflamed. Like, my gums are inflamed, everything is deflamed. My tooth was decaying, okay? So even when she was doing the root canal, like, I was still feeling it. I'm still feeling like pressure from my tooth right now. This one right here. Yeah. So all of that stuff. I might have to go see another specialist because even talking on it right now, it's hurting me. Like, what the hell? You just got fixed. She told me I have to stay away from cold stuff. So that means no ice cream for dessert on my date. Kind of saddened just a little bit. But you know how that goes. And yeah, so we'll see how it is tomorrow. Hopefully she didn't mess up my tooth and whatever. But yeah. So I'm gonna go home, go to my bed, try and sleep this off. I just took 3 Tylenols and shit. So yeah, holla back. Guys. Anyhow, I'm gonna go look at apartments today. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm at my first stop. Because me and Marlon need to move. Yeah. You understand? So that's currently what I'm doing right now. And I guess when I get upstairs, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Asking me like what time my appointment is. Like, she doesn't know like we booked an appointment. Like, bitch, open the door. Like, open the door. Nobody got time for that. I'm trying to move. You understand? Okay. So 2 closets here. Okay.
And this is the kitchen here.
Do you mind if I have my shoes on, or do you want me to take them off? Okay. That's okay? Okay. Hi.
And this is like living room, dining room area.
Mm-hmm.
The balcony out there.
Okay. Okay. This would be like a closet.
It's got a walk-in closet.
Okay, this is nice. Hi. This would obviously be the bathroom.
There's another closet.
Okay, this would be the bathroom. Okay. Alright, oops. And you said that's another closet, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Linen closet or clothes, whatever.
Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, wonderful. Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Guys, so I seen that first one. I don't really know how I feel about it. I feel like where I'm living right now is actually a little bit bigger than that. But at least there's a balcony. And it's on the 12th floor. But at least there's a balcony. And all of that good stuff. So, yeah, I like actually how this one looks. But, you know. But yeah, that's there. And, so yeah. Off to the next one now. I got one more to look at today, and then that's about it. And that's about it. And then I have another one to look at tomorrow, and we'll see. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm here at the next apartment. The super's not here, so I'm waiting here. I guess I'm just a little bit too early, but you know, whatever. So far, so I like the building. I like the building. I like when the inside stay. Everything is nice and proper. Trust me. Your hair is nice. It's like my house is black and white. I love it so far. So hopefully, I like the apartment too. So I can sign on that dotted line. But yeah, hopefully we'll see it soon. And
Bye, Kiwi. Okay. So cute.
so cute.
So this one here, I don't know which one it is, but this is a one bedroom.
Okay.
So we have big balconies.
That's what I need.
Yeah.
We don't have that right now.
Yeah, so you can see like this is a good size.
Okay, that's
So
so
you put your
good.
barbecue on this side.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That was a question that I was gonna ask you
don't
too.
ask that question. That's what you do.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
That's the side I have mine on.
Okay.
You know, we're not allowed to talk about these kind of things, so, all right?
Okay.
So,
bathroom.
this one has just been painted,
Okay.
so we would have to, I mean, this is probably not the one you're gonna get, obviously.
Okay.
But what we normally do is I'd have to change the light out. There's no plug in here, right? So
Okay.
I have a big light that has a plug on it.
Okay. Perfect.
Obviously, we wouldn't need doors with plugs in it. But this one has just been painted, so the first step of turning it over.
Okay.
So I'll change all the light fixtures,
Walk in.
replace the doors with this one, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this one's just been freshly painted.
Okay.
So,
is a
doorknobs or whatever.
closet.
Yeah, linen closet and then the storage is awesome. For this.
Yeah, I need a lot of space.
Yeah,
This is
thank you.
perfect.
Awesome.
Yes, I need
Also,
so
the
much
time I work with
space.
other kids.
None yet. Working on it.
So, front linen closet.
Okay.
And they're pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. I mean, this one here, of course, it's going to get a new countertop. Because
Okay.
It's so old and ugly. New sacred taps and stuff, but
Okay.
it's not a really new. It's not a new building by any means.
No, but I mean, compared to what I'm living in right now.
Yeah. So lots
So
of
this,
windows.
yes, and that's what I
Very
need.
good.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah. So this one we'll see about 1 o'clock on, right until about 6. You'll have the sun.
Yeah.
Every day.
This is
So,
perfect.
yeah.
I love
And
this.
depending on which side of the building she's got is coming up, I don't know what floor is coming up either. But yeah. And then you can see from here, the pool's open.
Oh yes,
this
you
is
guys
our-
have a pool.
yeah. So we do 9 to 5 for family, and then 5 to 8 for
adults?
Adults only.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And how long is it open until? Because if we're moving in September, will we still have advantage for that?
It depends on the weather, right?
Okay.
If it's really cold and crappy,
So
and it's
seasonal.
so cold that nobody's using it, then yeah. It's not
Okay.
heated, unfortunately, but
That's okay.
it's August.
As long as there's heat outside, then.
If it's a hot, like it goes through. So same thing. This one has a bigger balcony.
Yeah.
This is the front of the building view, right? So
Okay.
Again, we don't know which. If it's the back or the front.
Okay.
But,
Cool.
it's huge.
It's definitely more spacious, but I mean,
But this is.
regardless, I just want a balcony.
Yeah.
I don't really care about the space.
Now this is a junior one bedroom, they call it.
Okay.
So this is a junior, and it's a little different layout.
Yeah.
Again, this
Kitchen
one's
is
sort of in the
smaller.
works. Yeah.
Hi.
I'm just basically showing that so you can see the front of the
Okay.
view.
Okay.
Right?
I do like the other
Same
one.
building,
Yeah.
same thing, only just reversed.
Yeah, I like the
But
back one.
that's the view from the front.
Okay.
I didn't know which one is coming, September.
Okay.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
But
Well,
yeah, the layout is not as good. Judy. Yeah, what's in September? 2? Is it 2 something?
Whatever.
Okay. We'll take care of it.
Yeah.
The painter's still moving some stuff around, eh?
Jalen, if it's itching you, it shouldn't be making you act like that. You want to go to the hospital?
I think you do. Let's go call grandma and see. Like, I don't know. Wait, I'm coming back. I don't. Wait. Come, let's go get my cell phone.
And it's just your back? It's just your back?
Can you tell me right quick what would be better motor for my sky?
Is it anywhere else or is it just your back?
It's just my back.
So what does it feel like? That's it? There's no pain? It doesn't hurt?
I didn't know pizza was
So how come you have to throw yourself down like that? Huh? How come you have to cry? Come talk to us. Tell us what's going on. We're not feeling it, so you have to tell us.
no way, man.
Don't look on me. Don't look on me.
All right, okay.
So it just comes and goes and comes and goes?
Is my mom there?
Roman people.
Jalen, try to use your hands and itch it.
Dylan, do you see people around you? Is anybody around you? What do you think it is? Dylan. Dylan.
25 survey saying, there we go.
Do you see somebody?
Jalen. Money fast.
Oh my God.
All right, here we go. Okay, John, listen to me. We got to put in a little bit of work.
Dylan. Do you see
This is the mother of the possessed child.
Do you see somebody around you?
25 seconds on the clock, please.
He's looking.
Here we go.
He's frightening himself. You're frightening me much less you're frightening.
That's really rude.
Okay, I shouldn't go say
Name a
these
phrase
words.
that starts with, get out of blank.
Get out of town. Here.
Besides glasses, name something people...
That's not yours.
Don't drink that water. Go be possessed.
Give me some.
Besides glasses, name something people wear over their eyes.
And say hi. Come, tell the people. Oh, here he comes.
Name something
Wait, stay there. Stay there.
Go to the bathroom.
What's your name? What's your name? Say my name is Jordan.
Starts with get out of blank. You
Say my name is Jordan.
here, survey said. Get out of here was the number one answer. Besides
Say my name is Jordan.
wear over their eyes, you said.
Say my name is Jordan.
Said,
Say my name is Jordan.
contact was the number one answer.
Say hi, my name is Jordan.
Peak of your hotness, you said. Sexy old survey said.
Say Jordan.
25.
Say Jordan.
One answer. Name the first thing you come. You need the money fast. You said.
All I want him to do is say his name is Jordan. Can you say, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name, you jerk?
Video here.
What's your name?
Jalen.
Okay. Why are you shaking and stuff? What's wrong with you?
Isaiah.
What's wrong with you, Jalen? You're itchy?
Dylan, put on your Angry Bird goggles. These are my god kids, you guys. The other sets. Put on your
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
That's mommy. Who's that? Look. Who's that? Angry Bird.
Baba.
Lala?
Baba.
Okay. What's your name? I said. What's your name?
So that we can
What the-
reestablish the vegetation.
Are you gonna cry? Okay, calm. I'm sorry, okay? Are you my friend? Are you my friend? Because one time. Are you my friend, Jordan? I'm sorry. My mom actually gave him a lollipop. And my mom what? Told her to take it back. Are you telling me to shut up? And to take it back. And he was vexed with my mom the whole Sunday. He talked to her. The next time he saw her, he talked to her. Jordan, did you just tell me to shut up? You want me to slap your butt? Show your boo-boo. Do you want me to slap your butt? Show your boo-boo.
The price is right.
Say sorry. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, God, okay. Okay, back and see. Oh, God, okay. Oh, God, okay. You want candy? You want candy? You want candy? You want candy? You want chicken? You want water? You want lollipop? You want cars? You want chocolate? You want chocolate? Okay, you can't mess up my blouse. I'm not going to go on the boat, so I'm here by you. Okay, Jordan, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? Okay. It's okay, okay? Okay, don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm bad, okay? I'm bad. Oh, yes, I'm so bad. What happened? I'm gonna call this vlog the crying baby. And the angry bird. The crying baby and the angry bird. Okay, you wanna record? You wanna record? Okay, hold the camera. You have to hold it with 2 hands. Okay, wait, hold on. Put this one on your hand. Hold it right there. And then you hold it right here. So you're gonna record. Who's that? Who's that? Huh? Who are you videoing? Lala? Yeah? Okay, get Josiah on the couch. Go get Josiah on the couch. Get Josiah sleeping.
I click it.
No, don't click it. It's a video. Go get Josiah on the couch. Record him.
No pants. No
You see him? You see him? Say Josiah sleeping.
Closer.
Catch the teeth. Catch his teeth. Put on his mouth.
I know. I have a finger in my ring in my hand.
Jalen. Look, catch all of it. Catch it. Josiah. Josiah.
He's not drinking the 4 baby.
Time to go to summer camp.
I got hit on accident on the train. But
Time to go to summer camp. Good face though.
Oh my God. Be for
Come, Jordan. A good boy. Come.
This is Zaya.
Yes. Good job. Record me.
This is Zaya.
I know. Record me.
Me.
Record you? You see Zaya? You see Zaya sleeping? Tell them, what's your name?
Name.
What's your name?
I told you to say Jordan. Say Jordan.
What's your name?
Hey Jordan.
Who's this? Who is this?
So you're in the train that
Who is that?
little flesh wound.
Little flash one, but you know what?
Great attitude.
That's her. That's.
I'm on the board of directors for a local nonprofit based in
I'm big. My name is Lorraine. What's your name?
For incidents and helping get up and going.
Is this who is this?
Driver to the Boston Marathon bombing.
Where's your sister?
Wait.
Where's your sister?
What was this?
Where is she?
Umbrella eating hat.
Where? Go show me your sister.
Umbrella eating hat.
That's your sister? What's her name? Oh God! You have to be gentle. It's a girl.
Heck of a guy right here.
Where's your sister? What's her name? Who is this?
Next to Rock. What do you do?
Come here. Your sister.
You'd be surprised here, Brian Williams wearing like that.
She's gonna beat you up.
Taylor show.
Where's your sister?
Only one cut.
Boy, yeah. I started sing I'm tired. I don't even feel like go home the way I'm tired. You understand? Because I'm tired. My yard far right now upon the bus. I'm tired.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.